welcome back to my channel, friend. The only K-pop song to be selected in the Trend Award Ranking 2024 of the Line Music Annual Ranking 2024. Magnetic MVs let's sweep the major global award ceremonies for new artists. They are also providing their popularity in Japan on December 2nd, according to their label, beloved label, the title song Magnetic from their first mini album Super Real Me was nominated for the Trend Award Ranking 2024 of the Line Music Annual Ranking 2024. This ranking is a selection of the 10 songs that have risen in the ranking or attracted attention over the past year based on data from Line Music and Elite Magnet and the only K-pop song to be selected. Thank you.